Hey, this is Julie. It's July 29th, 5:18 p.m. and we've had EIA and we've had FOMC. So I'm about reported out. And I had a bad trading day experience. My computer went out. I think I got some malware from a link I opened. And I don't know if they had what on it, but I shut down the computer and tried to get my charts back up and the templates would not load, so I was without my trading system, which is like horrible. You get so used to relying on something that you don't know whether you're entering in a position that's pulling back all the way for a double bottom reversal or just a pullback trend continuation. You don't know, and so it's always best to exit that situation, take your stop, and that happened to me. Then I got my template back up and everything was fine, and I was able to make up that loss or two. So the market just really blew the sky off and got rejected at 49.50. Very, very difficult up there. There's not much to look at. I mean, there's a little tiny gap area, gappy-like area up here, but not anything that you would think created this much resistance. So resistance is very strong. I would expect to see this probably coming back to the halfback, my guess, but we'll have to keep an eye on these fib levels. And my extensions are looking very good. This was off the swing high low, and the projection worked out beautifully. Also, the system bloodhound strategy worked out beautifully. It started out showing the negative momentum, and then it reversed at the EIA on the dot and never turned back. Stayed above value area high and the outer VWAP third standard deviation inside third. So we bounded between those two levels, and then it pulled back into VWAP a little bit, but skipped across the top, making a flat sideways afternoon session crude move. It's so typical of crude. Once it just turns over, it's either going to come down or go up or sideways. So crude likes to go sideways, settling on VWAP, settling up from VWAP and R1. So and at the point of control at settlement. So overall, a very positive day for the report. Here we go. This is what I was looking for. If you want to see the retracements, you can put on the mom trend, and that will show you when you're in a trend in a core position, and it trades so beautifully in the core position as it is. But if you want to see the retracements, you just turn over to the mom trend and see those retracements. If you'd like to see inflections that you can enter on, just flip it over to the inflections, and these get you in very well. And this is on the out of the box, black box trading strategy. So I've filtered this for the different markets: bonds, gold, crude, index futures, some agricultural corns and beans, and some currencies. I don't use these exits, but I put a couple of exits on here to use different styles of exits from large, medium, and tight, and a momentum, overall momentum, and the inflections. And then if you want to see just long, say the market's rallying up, I just want to see long signals to get me in, this is the one to use. Or conversely, if you're on the day before, flip over to the I want to only see shorts, and you'll only get short signals. that is if you just want to get in. So that's available. So the trend works for a lot of people. They like to see the turns. I just leave it on the core when I'm trading because I want to see the overall direction. It's not meant to tell me when to get in, but you can get in on your own strategy. I have a trading plan that I use, predefined at levels that I look for to respond at signals at those levels and how I should act and trade accordingly. So it is a methodology to trading, both the strategy as well as the automated trade management that I'm refining currently and using in a test. So it's all about the ATM, the risk management, how long you keep your winners and how fast you exit your losers. That's what the whole game is about. So I thought I would just show the session today. As far as tomorrow is concerned, this is looking pretty bullish. 50 looks like the number that the market's probably going to want to try to get up to. 50, 51. I think we have point of control right here at 50.90. So that'll be the target for the week to end the week on. So I will be watching my profile bands for weekly indications to see where we are, monitoring the 3-day value, and always keeping an eye out for where we are relative to the past 5 trading periods. And as far as keeping in the direction of that, so right now that's definitely up for crude. That is up. That's sitting on the weekly high. So thank you so much. I'll have a great trading day tomorrow. Look for your opportunities. It might sideways turn a little bit before turning north, but by and all, I think by the end of the day, it's going to be ending up at 51, my guess. Have a good day tomorrow. Thank you.